Okay, so going straight into it, in this video I'm going to show you guys how I do my mini twists. Mini twists are such a good style, especially if you're just trying to have a low manipulation hairstyle, trying to grow out your hair. They're just great. So these are the two products that I use. I always apply the mousse first and then the curl maker. With the Camille Rose curl maker, you want to make sure you're not putting too much or else you will have a lot of flaking. And that typically happens whenever you combine mousse with another product, especially gels. But when I first started doing mini twists, I made the mistake of not exactly working the product in there, like I mentioned, the shingling method. So you really want to make sure you're working the product in there. Your hair has enough water, because I actually made the mistake of not really doing that on this side of my head. But on the left side of my head, I made sure I had enough water in my hair, because if you're using mini twist as an actual style, you're gonna see a difference if you do keep that moisture in, because it'll look great even on the 6th and 7th day. On this day, I actually planned on taking the twist out the day after for a twist out. But if I'm using mini twist as an actual style, I'll make sure I have clean parting in the, areas of my head that you could see. So it'll be the front of my head, the back of my head, especially because I like putting it up. And so I'll braid the top and then start twisting. And so braiding at the top, it just helps with frizziness, and especially if you're keeping in styles, it just looks better, honestly. The only downside is it does take way more time, making sure that the parting looks fine. But obviously, it doesn't have to be perfect as long as your braids are neat, you have enough moisture in your head. It's such a cute style to just, work around with. And around this time is when I realized that I should be putting way more water in my head, because my hair was drying and working the product in, and you could definitely see the difference in my twists right here. I also want to say when applying product, don't be afraid to apply a lot of mousse because the mousse is, oh my goodness, y'all. Mayel's mousse, Most Def mousse is probably my favorite mousse. It's just always sold out at the Target that I'm next to, but I highly recommend most of their products, honestly. But it really, really, really makes any twist look so nice and juicy, especially twist outs. If you do twist outs, I recommend just using mousse and seeing how that goes. So yeah, this is my hair at the end. I do not air dry my hair ever. So I sat under a dryer, but the next day I took them out, had a cute little twist out going out. Personally, I don't really like twist outs on the first day, but it's what I had. But thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys again really, really soon. Thank you.